here's some materials that you will need today. I have a big clay pot, a medium clay pot, and a little clay pot. And also, today we have a clay plate. We have a regular plate. We have 3 different colors of paint, red, white, and black. We have paint brushes. We have glue sticks. We have a garden light. And okay guys, so the first step is I'm going to be painting my 3 pots and my plate. So the plate is going to be black to match the garden light. And the main part of my pot, so the bottom part, is going to be white, and the trim of it right here is going to be red. So after we're done painting, I'm going to come back, show you what it looks like before we assemble them. Now the next step is I'm going to hot glue them. Starting with the big one, I'm going to hot glue the big one to the plate, and we're going to stack them. As you can see, I've already hot glued all my pots together. So I've already took the pole off my garden light. So I'm going to hot glue it to the top. So now that I have my lighthouse done, I added the light and everything, so now I'm going to go back, touch up some spots, and I'm going to be adding some windows and door. So I will see you, and I will show you the finished product when I'm done. Now that I finished my lighthouse, I added windows and doors, and I just wanted to show you the finished product, and I wanted to show you what it would look like at night. So please like, subscribe, and if you have another craft idea you want me to try, please comment down below, and I will do my best to make that happen. And see you next time on Tealmagnoliagirls. Bye.